Hey dolls, so I'm coming to you guys today with a review being brought to you by Samsbeauty.com. As you guys can see, they sent me out the Stylist Wavy Wonder. I've cut all the lace and everything like that off, so I'm just going to go ahead and throw her on so you guys can see me and Miss Wavy Wonder. Y'all, I love this color, but yeah, this wig, I don't know. To me, it has its pros and it has its cons. But for the most part, I do like Wavy Wonder. I'm just going ahead and making sure I got her on and she's not, going to slip off my head. um, I have not brushed her curls or anything like that yet. I'm just going to go ahead and start playing with her. So I want you guys to see, the process of me taking the wig out and doing all that extra stuff to it. I'm just finger combing her right now just to see how I like the curls and get a feel for the wig. This is what I do off camera, but I want to show you guys on camera because sometimes I get a lot of questions like, can we see it, how you styled it before, you got on camera. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just playing with her bang area. She has a really nice bang area. As far as shedding and tangling, yes, she does shed. I haven't gotten too much tangling from it though, but she does shed. Her coloring is just gorgeous, y'all. It's so pretty. I'm loving the blue-black combo. It just gives it a different vibe. I haven't done a blue-black combo in a while. It just wasn't screaming my name, but this one was screaming my name in the blue-black. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and, further customize her with my fingers and play with her curls. Got a little flyaway. I hate flyaways. They're freaking aggravating because they get all in my lashes and on my face, and that's aggravating. So I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeshadow to the parting area. I didn't feel like getting up to go get my foundation, so I'm just adding some shadow to the parting area just to get it to look a little bit more natural looking, and so it'll blend in. I didn't go ahead and pluck this unit at all in the parting space. This is the parting space right out the packaging. I didn't feel like plucking it because I knew I had another review to do. But yeah, she's really, really nice. I'm just adding some around the perimeter of the hairline as well. But for the most part, I like this wig. Like I said, I have no issues with her or anything like that. And so I'm just going to go ahead and keep playing with the parting area till I like it. I think I like it like here. So yeah, the parting area is really nice. You don't have to pluck it if you don't feel like it. So I'm going to go ahead and get my brush because I don't like the curls finger comb. So I'm just going to run my brush through it. And this is just a Denman brush. It's nothing special. It's just a Denman brush. And this is what I use on my natural hair. So, and that's what I had next to me anyway. um, but yeah, Miss Wavy Wonder brushes out very nicely. As you can see, there are no tangling, it's not tangling up on me or anything like that. The texture of Wavy Wonder is like a mix between silky and yaki, but it's not overly silky to where it looks like baby doll hair. She has a nice luster to her. It's not, that plasticky, shiny luster. It's a nice luster. As you guys can see, my lighting is just making it look, extremely shiny, but it's not. My lighting is just super duper bright because I wanted you guys to see the color in its entirety. But y'all, she is gorgeous, baby. In that bang area, we was fighting with it because me and this bang, I kept going over and over with it, with the brush because it wasn't to my liking. So yeah, but it's really nice though. I'm just playing with the wig. This is what I do. It can take me a little bit of, a little bit of time to style it to how I like it. But yeah, she's cute. Oh yeah. I like it like this with the bang and with the sides. So I'm just flushing her up just a little bit more. But here is your left side. Here's your right side. And here is all the hair to the back of the unit. I'm just going to turn around so y'all can see that. Has a really good density on her. She's not, heavy or anything. Her density is a nice natural density, as you can see, but you're not going to see any tracks whatsoever. And she's maybe about a good 22 inches. She is layered. So yeah, y'all see me swinging that hair around. That's what I be swinging these wigs around like crazy when I'm off camera. So I'm just adjusting her more because she was kind of sliding back because I don't have on my wig grip. But with this one, you definitely need a wig grip because this cap is really huge. Like, it's not slim at all. I mean, it's not small at all. So very big head friendly. I'm just scooping some hair behind my ear to style her like I like. And yeah, she's gorgeous. I'm just playing with her, doing my thing. But for the most part, Wavy Wonder, she, definitely can be worn every day because she's that, she's a basic everyday style. She's not too fancy to where you'll feel kind of, out of place, wearing a wig like this. She's, great for every day. The texture and the color is just gorgeous. Like, she has a lot of body to her, so you can definitely get your diva fan and just blow some wind through her and she's gonna give you life, baby. So yeah, she is a good everyday diva wig and I really like her. No complaints. I'm just gonna keep playing with her and playing with her because that's what I do. I tend to somewhat overstyle my wigs off camera, and so yeah. But I'm very finicky when it comes to my wigs. But I'm going to go ahead and shift her to a middle part to see how she looks. Of course, when shifting her to the middle part, the ear tabs, they do move. And so you may get a little funky feeling behind your ear because one of the tabs are like literally behind your ear now. But she looks good in the middle part. I wouldn't put her like in a right, like, with the parting, with the left side parting, but she looks good in the middle part, as you can see. So yeah, you can, shift the wig to the middle and she'll look gorgeous. I don't think the length changed when I shifted her to the middle, but yeah, she does look kind of lopsided for the most part, but who is really paying attention to your head like that? Like, yeah. But yeah, she looks cute in the middle. I like her like this. I'm feeling myself in Miss Wavy Wonder in this blue black color, y'all. Like, I'm definitely feeling myself. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just give y'all some little poses because I was loving this in the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and shift her back to my right side part because y'all know that's my jam. I love when my hair is on the right side. But yeah, she's gorgeous. I am going to go ahead and put her back to how I had her. So if you have any questions about this wig, of course you can definitely shoot me a comment down below. If you are interested in this, I will have all purchase links in the description box. Now, I'm not the first person to review this one, but I just wanted to review it because it caught my eye and I really liked the style of it. You know, even though I have plenty of wigs that looks like this, but I just wanted, you know, I wanted a cute blue black color, and I felt this one, you know, did it justice in this color. So yeah, that over the eye action is coming, y'all. Y'all know me. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.